Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Saad and I will tell you how we can resolve the tickets which I got this in FCCs. So this is the ticket number T101 and the issue is to add new cache accounts. So I have to add some cache account. Let me show you the requirement first. What is the requirement that I got? So I have to add these cache accounts into my application. So these are the cache account that I need to do. So in this video, in this ticket, I will use the bulk metadata load method to load the data. Let's move on to our application. Let me close all these things. This is our FCCs application. So let me see the account dimension first. This is the balance sheet, current asset, someone, cash and cash equivalent. Okay, let me now see that this is the format that I need to upload, which under cash and cash equivalent I need to create this account and this add. So I will add this account. This is the format in which you can also only you can upload the data. So I've already prepared this. These are the cache accounts over here. You can see this is the parent account, alias, and all the other details are also mentioned over here. So and this file should be saved in CSV only. So now let's move on to our application. Now we will go over into overview. Let me open the overview. So I am using this bulk metadata load method. I'll click on import over here and create the file. I will choose, let's see whether someone has uploaded different applications, so let's see whether it will upload this data or not. Okay, this is my file. I will validate the format. Validated successfully. Let me import, and import method job submitted successfully. Now I'll see whether this upload is successful or not. So let's go to jobs and track the activity. So import metadata is completed. Here you can see. So now let's just check in the dimension whether these accounts are added or not. So I'll go to balance sheet. Under cash and cash equivalent, I have added those accounts. So total asset, then I will select current asset, and under cash and cash equivalent I have added this cash details, and under these are the cash accounts that I have added now itself, as you can see. So I have resolved the first ticket, which is to add the cash accounts. So now let's move on to our second ticket, which is T102. So now let me open the PPT first. So what now my ticket number T_102 says, so the issue is to create EPM automate file to load new cache accounts. So I will load these cache account only, which I have loaded. So what I will do, I will delete these cache accounts in front of you, then I will load this file again through EPM automate as well. So what's the solution? Load cache account through EPM automate. So now let's move on to the, I also have one example over here. I need to create one job also, so let me edit this. This is the script. Sorry, I need to open one new notepad. So I will mention over here the details of our application. This is my instance name, and I have encrypted password or not. Yeah, I have not encrypted the password, so I can simply write the password over here, or you can encrypt the password as well. EPM encrypt password I can do also, but right now I'm just adding over directly password over here. To hide this password, you need to do encrypt password as. There it is. So call EPM second step by, these are the call is step by step commands. Over here you can see first this will be done, call EPM automate login. So I have defined the login username and password, then the credentials over here, and so this should be in this sequence only, first user, password and credentials over here. Call EPM automate set application mode as true. So whenever I will load this data, so no other users can do the changes in the application until this is set application mode is in true. So delete file, you can see call EPM automate delete file. So whatever other file I have uploaded in inbox and outbox explorer, it will delete the file and upload the recent file over here, for which I will give the path, and then it will import metadata, the job that I will create. So now let's just go to our application. I will remove this. Okay, the file name I will go over here. This is the file name. Okay, 1 minute. CSV. So path I will give over here. So from here I will copy the path, copy as path, and I will define this path over here. So it is, remove this. Now I have to create a job for this particular activity. So let me just move on to our application and create one new job. From overview I can create a new job, but first I need to upload this file into inbox and outbox explorer. Okay, I'll upload file, ticket. So what is open, which path is open? This is T102. This is the file. Upload the file. The file upload is completed successfully. By refreshing we can see the file also. T101 ticket data load.csv. So I have to delete. First I will delete those cache accounts. So what I will do, simply delete this, and again I will tell you how you can do it through EPM Automate. Then I will also refresh a database. It may take a little bit of while. So it is finished. So again I will tell you how you can load this through EPM Automate. We are already writing the scripts over here. So I will create a new job over here from overview. So I'll click on import, create, and inbox I have uploaded that file name I will write over. This is the file name .csv, save as a job. job_.csv. Similarly I'll copy this and define the error file as well. I'll write it error over here. So I have saved it as job, and now I'll close it. So from here you can see the job as well. I have refreshed it, and this is the job that we have created just now. So I'll mention the job over here in my example as well. This is the job name, then it will refresh a cube, then set application mode on as false. So now the user can edit the changes after the data is loaded, and it will call EPM automate logout. Just give me 1 minute. I have to connect the charger. Okay, So now let's continue. Now what I will do, I will open the EPM, launch EPM Automate. I can simply either copy this and or I can save this as .bat file. T102 underscore webinar underscore, sorry, now I'll say .bat I'll save this on desktop itself. So let it open. I'll just lots of things are open. So I'll simply click as run as administrator. Now let's see. So login is successful. Here you can see processing application mode as completed successfully. File is also deleted successfully and uploaded file successfully in the inbox and outbox explorer, and metadata is also imported successfully over here. You can see import data import was successful, and cube is also refreshed successfully, and application mode is now false, and now the user can edit. You can here you can see you have enabled the use of the application for all user now, and it is log out. So I'll press any key and it will do over here. So now I again check whether it is the accounts are there in the dimensions or not. Total assets, current assets, and cash equivalent. Here you can see the accounts are added over here again. Cash details and all those accounts are again you can view, which I have done through EPM Automate. So why we are use EPM Automate? Because some activities may be recurring, again we need to do those activities. So we simply write a script and we got that file, and we simply mention that file in the script and upload it there over itself. So in this I just need to define the command, all the command. As you see in the earlier ticket, I have to go into overview, then import the data, and I have to do all those activities. In this I will just simply launch that EPM Automate, and I'll get the result by defining the file itself. Okay, so now my ticket number 2 is also resolved, which is to load cash account through EPM Automate. So now I will do the ticket number T103. Let me open this. So my ticket number 3 is to create data integration rule to load new cash accounts. So solution to this is to load cash account through data management. Again I will upload those cash account only, but now I will do through data management. So data management file is different. I'll simply delete these cash account again to tell you how you can do it through data management. So I'm deleting this. Cash accounts are deleted, and I'll run a refresh database. Okay, finish it. So now let's see data management file. I have cache load. So DM file is prepared in this way. Here you can see these are the accounts name and these are the alias name. This is the store and this will be the parent. So one thing I need to do is to create this one. I'll just simply add a new cache account of this because this is the parent and under this will be there. So what I have done, I have deleted that account also. This I'll just simply create under this add child. Okay, 4100 cache details. You can do this way also. This is also a classic method. Can add those account over here, save it. Okay, so this file I have already have defined this account, this alias, store, data storage properties. This is the parent name and parent name I have also created now. So now let's move to data integration. So first I will go to data management. I have to also need to define this target, source and target. Under setup I need to define source and target, but now through the new update I cannot do it from here. So I'll just go to data exchange. This is data exchange. So from here actions I'll select the application, source is file. Okay, applications are not coming. Okay, now let's see in DM whether I'll be able to do this or not. Otherwise I'll tell you in the TRC's application. Import format, I'll just create a new one which is T103 underscore webinar underscore IMF. This is the name I have given. File target is only showing this. That's the problem. Let me check any other application. Someone has removed this application, so the target which I have to choose is not coming over there. This is also doing some problem, this application. Let's see in TRCS. This is also, the process will be similar only. If I'll tell you in the TRCS also, the process will be similar. But I have to see the file for TRCS. That is the TRCS file. So I'll simply save this. Under this only, this PC, local days, FCS ticket number, this TRCS, ticket number is T103. So the process will be similar, it doesn't matter whether I'll tell you in the TRCS or FCCs. Now the application is doing problem, so I'll just telling you in the TRCS itself. I'll go to data management. So okay, I'll explain you data exchange first. Data exchange, you can see. Now I'll go to application. So I have to I am importing metadata, so I'll click on over here TRCS accounts. So what I need in this application, what I have defined the account name, accounts alias name, and parent and data storage property. So I need only these thing only, so which is already selected: account, alias, data storage, and also I need parent, so it is saved. So I have to also check one more thing, it is correct. So you can uncheck the things which you don't need. I'll just see in the dimensions. I think these accounts are already added, so I'll just delete those accounts. 4000, okay. Okay, so this is the account. Revenue, these are the account that I need to delete. Revenue to revenue. So I'll simply delete these. Let me see any other account I have to delete. 400 is also the account. Okay, inside this I am already doing. Okay, let it be. I can remove this line as well, so it's not a problem. Let it be, no problem. So I'll now go to data management. Setup, I will go import format. Again I will create the import format, which is T_103 web2_IMF. Okay, file is all data type, delimited all data type. The application is this TRCS account. Okay, target application is this. Let me save this. Sources file which I have created. Account, I will mention it over here. Account field is number 1. Alias is on the column, is on the field number 2. Data I don't need to define in the metadata, so I'll just simply data storage is on 4th field number and parent is on 3rd number. So let me just check it again. Okay, yeah, it is correct. So I'll just simply save this. So now I'll create a location which is T_103 web2_imf. Import format, I will select that I have created just now. This is the import format. File, TRCS account, all the other things are there. Save it. So I'll now do the mapping through data load mapping. I'll select the location from here. Reset and search. Account. So I'll define the like to like mapping over here because I want what as it is, what is it there in my sheet, Excel sheet. I'll just give a unique name or rule name and save it. So alias name I will define. Alias name is this. I'll again give the like to like mapping only. R2 save. Okay, it's not written over here. R2. R3. Parent is R2 star R4. So I have defined the mapping as well. Now I'll just create a data load rule over here. Simply I will give a name T103 underscore web 2 underscore dealer. You can give any name. It is not like import format I have defined. File, now I will select from here so I can upload the file. T1, no file over here now. So I've saved in this. So I've uploaded the file and selected the file. I'll save this. So okay, now I'll just execute this rule. First I will import to check whether there is problem in import or not any. Let me just refresh. Okay, import is successful. Here you can see green sign. That simply means the import is successful. Otherwise you will see the cross sign if there is any error. So this is the sign with golden fish you can see over here. So this means import and validate is successful. Now I'll just simply export it. Click on export. So export is also successful, as you can see golden fish over here. Now I'll just see this result in the application itself. Let me refresh this and again open the dimensions. Under balance sheet there are dimensions. Sorry, under current assets, cash and cash. Let me check. I've added where these account. What name is this? 4000. Okay, it is revenue accounts I'm seeing in balance sheet. Okay, I'll just simply search these account. So this is the revenue. As you can see, revenue account. Under this, the account that I've added over here is visible over here. So here you can see this is how you can do the metadata upload through data management. So I've also recorded the third ticket, which was to load cash account through data management. So now I'll just see one more ticket, which is ticket 104. Change the product category. So now my fourth ticket is to, which is T_104, and the issue is to change the product category. So solution is also to change the product category. So now let me explain to you what it means. Now just move on to FCCs application itself and see whether products are there or not. In the dimensions, products, account, product is not there. This application is also not opening. TRCs I also don't have product. So I'll simply tell you one example which I will create now. Let me go to dimensions. Entity is also this. Period scenario. Consolidation custom dimension is what? Okay, in account itself I will tell you the example. So I'll just for the example, suppose by mistake I have added the cash account under this account. Sorry, in other receivable I'm adding the cash account. I'm just creating example one, cash 101. I'm giving the same alias and save it. Again I will create one sibling of this, cash 02. Simply copy this and paste it over here. Which is asset. Okay, save it. So what it does mean, to change the product category, and now I'll change the cash category, because the cash should be over here in the cash and cash equivalent and should be under the cash details. So someone might have wrongly added these cash account over here in the other receivables. So what I'll simply do, I'll just cut this over from here and paste it over here. So it will be its descendant over here. So here you can see cash 02 is now the children of cash detail. Similarly I'll do this for this. Click over here, cut and paste it over here on for cash details. So now it will become the descendant of this also. So I have added this account over here in the right category, as you can see. So similarly you will do for the product, some maybe have done added product in the wrong category. So similarly you can cut and paste it in the right category. So our ticket number T104 is also resolved. So let me see if any ticket which is left. So this ticket application is not working. Let me see whether, because product member is not there, so I'll be not able to do this ticket. So till we have resolved 4 tickets, we will see in the next class all the tickets. And till then, thank you so much. You have joined our session. For more queries you can contact us on www.bispsolutions.com. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.